Hey there, awesome people. Welcome back to How to Channel, your go-to spot for all things tech, tips, and a whole lot of fun. If you're new here, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. And if you don't, well, my pet goldfish might just start plotting world domination. And trust me, you don't want to see a goldfish with a plan. All right, today we're tackling a question that might have you scratching your head. How to create a Gmail account without using a mobile number on your mobile device. Yes, it's possible. And no, you don't need to bribe Google with cookies. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your trusty mobile browser. If you're still using Internet Explorer, it's time to upgrade. Seriously. Step 2. Go to gmail.com. It's like entering the gateway to email heaven. Step 3. Click on Create Account and then choose For Myself. We're not setting up a Gmail for your goldfish yet. Step 4. Fill out your name and choose a username. Be creative, but remember, Cool Dude 9334 is probably taken. Step 5. Set up a password and confirm it. Make it strong. No password Win23, okay?
Okay.
We want Fort Knox level security here. Step 6. Here's the tricky part. When prompted to add a phone number, look for the skip option. If you don't see it, try finding an alternative method like using a recovery email. Google's not making this easy, but we've got this. Step 7. Complete the setup. If Google insists on verification, use an email or another method. Congratulations, you've just created a Gmail account without using your mobile number. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy your new Gmail account without handing over your phone number. Who knew beating the system could be so satisfying? Thanks for watching, techies. If you found this video helpful, or at least mildly entertaining, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Or else, my cat might just decide to sleep on your keyboard. And trust me, no one wants that. See you in the next video, and stay awesome.
Goodbye to the people who hated on me. Goodbye to the people who loved me. Goodbye to the people who trusted me. Goodbye, goodbye to everybody.